Sailing Japan in Style. Welcome to Sailing Japan in Style. Hi everyone, it's Now. Today I'm here with Michael at our home Marina Villas to prepare our yacht for a typhoon. As you all know, Japan gets pummeled by typhoons every year, so whenever one is coming our way, we need to do things like tie up the sails so they don't blow open and secure the boat with additional docking lines. Alright, let's get started!
Okay, so here we are at the marina again today. We're here to prepare the boat for the typhoon that is supposed to arrive later tonight or tomorrow. It's a big one. So first things first, we got to remove part of this deck cover.
Okay.
Starting with the zippers.
Why do you cover the boat with that all the time?
Oh, this deck cover? This is to protect the boat against ultraviolet light. We don't want any damage.
Okay.
This will keep it nice and pretty for a long time.
Oh, Michael, what's the rope for?
Well, this is actually a spinnaker sheet. It's used for sailing with a spinnaker, but today we're going to use it to tie up the main sail to prevent wind from getting inside. Okay, we're done for today. Yay!
Yay!
Protection against the typhoon.
And how was my trumpet sound?
Oh, it was great.
But I want to learn how to deal with a boat too.
Yeah, I'll teach you. Don't worry, I'll teach you.
Okay, I'll learn it.
So, I hope you liked our video. Preparing for a typhoon is something of a regular event for boat owners in Japan. We're just used to it. We deal with whatever nature throws at us. If you're interested in our activities here on Sailing Japan in Style, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to follow us on Twitter and Instagram. See you next time. Bye!